Every single moment is a fork in the road, and it matters which road you choose. There is a road that leads you back to the same old, and there is a road of the unknown that leads you to the woman you desire to be. Keep going. There's so much courage required in just being human. And thankfully, through our own feminine energy and our feminine wisdom and all the resources within us, we have the resilience to dig deep and face every single dark night of the soul. A dark night of the soul usually involves a loss of an identity, a part of you that once was central to how you saw yourself and how you operated in the world, either falls apart, dissolves away, or is taken from you in some way. Any real change implies the breakup of the world as you have always known it, the loss of all that gave you identity. James Baldwin. Here's the thing, it may feel like the end, and in some ways it is, but this end will be followed by a brand new beginning, brand new start. Every single moment is a fork in the road, and it matters which road you choose. There is a road that leads you back to the same old, and there is a road of the unknown that leads you to the woman you desire to be. Every single moment we are at that crossroads, and we get to make a choice. Are we going to do what we've always done? Are we going to think the thoughts we've always thought? Are we going to allow ourselves to feel, to marinate in old stories, and to activate those old sensations and emotions that no longer serve us? Or are we going to dare to live into a whole new reality, a reality that isn't evidenced yet in our five senses in the world around us, but a reality that we know in our heart, the more beautiful world our hearts know is possible? Are we going to believe in that? Every single moment we get that choice. And when you're interacting with your kids or your spouse, your boyfriend, your friends, your family, your colleagues, or even just in the quiet of the night when you're talking to your own self, you get this choice. Every new moment is an opportunity, and it matters. We're at this crossroads, and it matters which road we choose. But guess what? If you don't choose so well one moment, grace will give you another moment to choose again. Life can always begin again, in big and small ways. This is my core belief. If you're at a place in your life where you feel like you really shit the bed, that's a phrase that really applies here. Don't you love it when I go from super serious and poetic to, yep, that's just how it goes. But it's true. If you feel like you're at a point in your life where you just shit the bed or something happened beyond your control and life as you knew it is going down the toilet, praise the gods. Thank your lucky stars. This is the beginning, the new start, the new possibility, the whole new life that you've been praying for. I know it may not feel like it right now. I know you would like things to be different. I know if you could choose, you would choose for things to happen in a very different way. Jesus was the same, and he was the Son of God. He would have loved to have another path towards saving all souls. He said it in scripture, God, Father, please, if there's any other way to do this, let's do it that other way. Sometimes there's not. We gotta go through it. And there's something really beautiful on the other side. So don't give up. One of my favorite words of wisdom, favorite phrases of advice is if you're going through hell, just keep going. Just keep marching along. Do not plant your stakes in hell. Do not. Promise me. Do not plant your stakes in hell. No setting up camp. No putting a tent down. You are not staying. You're marching on through. You are getting to the next destination. Keep going. Get up, dress up, show up, and don't give up. You got this. You got this. You are not the only one going through hell. There are so many people walking side by side you. Keep going. Your choice, your energy, your belief, your vision, your imagination to keep putting one foot in front of the other, to keep getting up every single morning believing this day could be the day where things take a turn. That's giving every single other person going through hell right now the courage to keep going too. We are all connected. There's really no such thing as separation. So surround yourself with good thoughts, with good energy, and know that what you do for the good of you, you are doing for the good of all. The feminine is so generative. When you connect to your feminine energy, you are connected to the most generative part of you. That life force, that creativity, that imagination, that fun, that playfulness, that ability to receive and surrender and to know all will be well. All will be well, all will be well. Every manner of things shall be well. The words of Julian of Norwich. And that is the blessing I will end on. All shall be well. You shall be well. Don't give up. Grace and peace.